everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm still alive, and in today's video I'm going to be doing another Dollar Tree Christmas DIY. And yes, I do know that it's very close to Christmas and I kind of contemplated putting out this DIY or not, but you know what, I decided to do it anyways. I do have a couple more ideas, but I think I'm going to save them for next year. And I also wanted to mention that if you do end up doing this DIY, it does get a little bit messy. So, ye be warned. Anyways, at the end of the video, I'm also going to be opening a couple more gifts from the advent calendar that my sister made me. So if that's something that interests you, then stay tuned till the end. The first thing I'm going to do is add a piece of ribbon to the top of the candy cane wreath form so the wreath can be hung. I bought the candy cane wreath form from the Dollar Tree as well as the black sheer ribbon that I am using. Next, I'm going to take these black and white infinity scarves that I found at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be cutting them down to match the stripe lengths on the candy cane. I'm also going to be gluing down the two sides from where we just cut. I also left some excess fabric on the side, so I had enough to pull to the back of the wreath form to hot glue down. I'm going to do this process all the way up the wreath form, and once I get to the top where the arch in the candy cane forms, I'm going to do the exact same thing as before, but stretch the fabric out on the outer side of the wreath. Also, do not take your hand to wipe the fur off the wreath while you are working on it. It will only make it worse. This is going to sound weird, but to get the excess fur off the parts you already glued down, I suggest blowing it off. It worked a lot better for me than trying to wipe it off because, like I said, that actually made it worse. If you're confused as to what I am talking about, if you see all those little pieces of fur on the table, They kept falling onto the wreath while I was working on it, and I took my hand to wipe it off at one point, and the black smeared into the white, and the white smeared into the black, so that's what I am referring to. The candy cane looked a little bare, so I ended up adding a black glitter bow from Walmart. You can totally make your own bow with a Dollar Tree ribbon, but I already had this one on hand. All I did was give the bow some hot glue, and then I stuck it on, and this is how it turned out. Okay, so I am now going to be opening a couple of the gifts that my sister put in the advent calendar that she made me. I'm going to be opening number 5 and number 6. If you've seen my last video, you will know that I left off on 3, so you might be wondering where gift number 4 is, if I already opened it off camera or what happened. So I had planned a different video and I opened that gift the other day. I did record it, but I'm going to keep it for that video, just because of what I said I was going to be doing in that video, if that makes any sense. I'm sure it will once it comes out. But I did record my reaction opening that gift, and I'm still going to put it in my next video. So, with that being said, I'm going to be opening 5 and 6 today. Oh, it's a little box. Is it jewelry? It sounds like jewelry. Oh, it came with a note. This is a glow-in-the-dark bookmark for all the new books you've been reading. Oh my gosh, that is so funny, because the other day I was literally thinking about how I really needed to go and buy a bookmark, because I don't save my pages, I just remember the page number that I'm on. And this is adorable. I guess its eyes glow in the dark. And I've never seen a bookmark like this before. Oops. Maybe I can take it out of the package. This is so cute. And I love the little kitty and the little feather. Aww. Thank you, sister. It's like you read my mind in the future. Okay, now I'm going to be opening gift number 6. Wait, I'm confused. Oh, okay. What is this? And then it's in an envelope. Zombie plant seed packets. Wait, what? Wait, what? What's a zombie plant? Wait, what? The zombie plant seeds, touch it and the plant plays dead, then watch it come back to life. What the heck? What? I'm gonna have to look this up. This is so cool. There's 2 packets in here. I'm not sure how many seeds are in each, but this is really cool, and I'm definitely gonna have to look this up online. Thank you, sister. Anyways, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys all next time. Bye!